Alright guys, I was just walking in the Voodoo alley with one of my friends, and look what I found here. Here are free out of service units right here. Here's this Trane packaged unit here. I believe a Trane. There's a data sheet. I don't know if it's a Trane or American. This old General Electric unit. There's a data sheet from '83. There's Trane Odyssey, and there's another unit there, Trane Odyssey. And this is the Lennox package unit. Oh, cool sidings. 2001, and there's old Lennox here. Unfortunately, I don't think I can get to the data sheet of this thing. But yeah, there's some out of service units here. General Electric is the best one here. Big compressor in there. It is raining out here, unfortunately. And there's Tech 2000 over there.